In this video, I will show you step by step how we can add clickable links to Canva PDF just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial. So let's get started. So I have this PDF over here, as you can see, and I want to add clickable links. So here is what you will do. Click on the text over here. Click, for example, I want to add clickable link to this text, okay? And double click and scroll down, and you should see here link, okay? Click over here on link, and here you go. You just need to put your link here. So for example, I will put, let's say I will put this as an example. I will put my Pinterest link here. I will copy this link and I will go back to Canva and I will put this link here. So for you guys, you can put your YouTube video link, your Facebook account link, your TikTok, Instagram, or any links that you want to add. Okay, after you finish, after you put your link here, click on done, and here you go. This link will be clickable in your Canva PDF. You guys can see here. Let me show you. If we click on this link, for example, you should see this link over here, this Pinterest link. You guys can see it's super easy and simple. That's how we can add clickable links to Canva PDF. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos. And for you guys, don't forget to download this PDF as PDF. Let me show you. Click on share, scroll down, click on download, and you should file type, you should choose this one, PDF standard. Okay, click on download, and that's it. So see you in my next videos.